The easy way to bleed a set of these old Hope brakes without a bleed tool. These are kind of similar to your automotive style brakes in terms of they have an open reservoir, you don't need an adapter or a syringe to put in there. Now what you can do is burp it, so you fill this with fluid. This was completely empty, I don't know why. Might have a leak in the system, we don't know yet, or it might have been drained by somebody else, and who knows. Someone had been in it before, they'd rounded the set screws off the top. Basically what I've done is poured fluid in the top, and then you pump like crazy until the bubbles come to the surface. This is known as burping. What you can also do, assuming there's fluid in it, is undo the bleed nipple at the back. It speeds up the process. It also gets the old fluid out, but you want to put a tube over the end of that to suck the old fluid away. You don't really want it going on the ground, so we're opting for the burp method. But I didn't think these would be salvageable because they were all stiff. It just didn't move. It all felt crunchy. But no, the old set of Hopes are working, so that's cool. I mean, the lever is a little bit squeaky, but it's the lever itself, not the insides or anything like that. I can't see any visible leaks anywhere, so yeah, seems like we're all good. Yeah, Hope brakes will work again.